Hello everyone. Today, Autoshop Vietnam would like to present to you a tutorial video on programming smart key for Piaggio or Vespa motorcycles equipped with a smart key system. Preparation required. 1 new generation Piaggio Vespa smart key cable. 1 RFID circuit board. First, connect the SMARTFi 2 device to the Elmodo software via a smartphone or tablet. Select Advanced Functions. Smart Key Advanced. Piaggio, Vespa. Programming Smart Key Piaggio. Advanced Functions. All keys lost. The device will display the wiring instructions. Please connect the cables according to the instructions shown. First, we need to read the key ID from the key FOB. This is the key ID. Press Continue. Next, connect the SMARTFi 2 to the ECU. After connecting both cables to the ECU according to the instructions, press Continue. The key has now been successfully added. Now I will check again. Go to Basic Functions. FOB and ECU sync test. The device will instruct you to turn the fob on. To turn on a Piaggio FOB, press and hold the upper button with the motorcycle icon. Then press the lower unlock button. Note that both buttons must be pressed. I will do it again. Press and hold the upper button, then press the lower button. After the FOB is on, place it close to the ECU and select OK. FOB registered with ECU. Now I will turn off the key to check once again. FOB is not registered with ECU. This means the additional key has been successfully registered. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, would like to purchase the SMARTFi 2 device, or want to upgrade your SMARTFi 2 to enable this function, please contact us via the WhatsApp hotline displayed below the screen. Thank you very much, and see you next time.